Hey everyone, welcome back to Study Harbour. Today, we're diving into the fascinating history of Python, one of the world's most popular programming languages. Before starting with the history of Python, let's learn some basics about Python language, from where it is originated and how. Let's get started.
Python's foundation was laid in the late 1980s by Guido van Rossum, starting its implementation in December 1989 at CWI in the Netherlands. Guido van Rossum was inspired by the BBC comedy series, Monty Python's Flying Circus, which he was reading while working on the language. The show was creative, unpredictable, and quirky, qualities that resonated with him. Hence, Python was born, a name that's unique, short, and a little mysterious. Guido van Rossum in December 1989 started working on Python as a hobby project during the Christmas holidays. His goal was to design a language that emphasized code readability and simplicity, making it easy to learn and use, especially for beginners. Today, Python is everywhere, from machine learning and artificial intelligence to web and mobile development, scientific computing, and more. It's truly a language for all seasons.
And that's a quick journey through the history of Python. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights here on Study Harbour. See you in the next video.